if your Galaxy Fit 3 keeps disconnecting from your Android phone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your Android phone, just like that. Just make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. And also, if the Bluetooth is already turned on, but if you keep your band away from your phone, your band will automatically disconnect from your phone because it will be out of the reach of the Bluetooth signal. So make sure your phone is near to your band. Now you might ask, how much far can I leave my phone from my band? So normally the distance should be within 10 meters. Now if this did not fix your issue, then on your Android phone, just tap and hold on the Galaxy Wearable app. Then tap on the eye icon. In the app info section, just open the battery section and select no restrictions. After you've done that, then go back and tap on storage. And from here, just clear the cache of the Galaxy Wearable app. If you find the clear cache option on the screen, just tap on it, or you can tap on clear data. And over here, as you can see, this is the option for clear cache. Just tap on clear cache and select OK. And as you can see, we have successfully deleted the cache data of our Galaxy Wearable app. Now from here, just go to your home screen and remove the app from the recent apps section. Then restart your Android phone. Just open the power menu and select Restart. And also do a force restart on your Galaxy Fit 3. For that, just press and hold on the side button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after your band and your phone finishes restarting, just go to the home screen of your Android phone, then open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just check if you have any update available for the Galaxy Wearable app. If there is any update available, just update this app. Then tap on Open, and within the app, just check if there is any update available for the Galaxy Fit 3. For that, just go to the band settings and tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install, and from here, just check if you have any update available for the Galaxy Fit 3. If you have any update available, just update your band from here. But if this also did not work, then just do a hard reset on your Galaxy Fit 3 and connect it again to your Android phone. For that, just go back to the Galaxy Wearable app. Now just tap on Band Settings. And over here, you will find the option of General. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. And from here, you can back up your data before you reset your band, then reset your band and connect it again to your Android phone. And this is how you can fix the issue if your Galaxy Fit 3 keeps disconnecting from your Android phone. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.